This video is going to show you how to make easy poached eggs. First, you have a pan of water. Bring it to a rapid boil. And then we're going to put 12 eggs in it. Already cracked. Just want enough water to cover the eggs. And let it boil till the egg whites are no longer transparent. Just a couple minutes. Because we put the cold eggs in, it's got to come back to a boil. Once it does, we're going to put a lid on it, take it off the heat, leave it covered till all the egg whites are completely white, and then they're done. Okay, you can start seeing the bubbles. I'm going to put the lid on. Just turn the heat off, leave the lid on till all the whites, you no longer can see through it. After our eggs have been covered for 10 minutes, this is how our poached eggs look. I hope you like my easy poached egg recipe. Like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.